Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how you can change location on Instagram post. So let's head over to your Instagram application to do that. Once it's there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile to see. Now, just head over to the three lines icon on the top right, or you can directly go to the post. So in here, tap on the three dots on the post and tap on edit. And here you'll find the option of add location. Now give a location like uh, this one, and then tap on the tick mark. And as you can see, it is getting updated. And now here the location is changed. So yeah, this is how you can change your location on your Instagram posts. This video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.